Okay, so here are a couple units at a gas station. This is Heil. It's got a cup and scroll. Last time I was here, it was running without the fan, so I can see that they fixed it or something. Let's go check it around here. It's working well. It's from their 17th week of 2017. 3 ton. No, 5 ton. Just disconnect. And then there are more over here. This is RHEEM Classic. 3 strut fan blades. Cut a cup and scroll. Snap and running. It's from 2021. It's a 5 ton. It's a little baby RHEEM Classic X, I think. Classic, oh, not RHEEM Classic 10 seater. This. What do you need? Nothing running. It's from October of 2001. It's a 2 ton. Here's this one. Man, that's looking amazing. It's from August of 2004. That's a 5 ton? Wow, that's a 5 ton. That's another RHEEM Classic. Lovely pressure sound. Cope and scroll. I think this one has a V-shape or something. Oh, that's a scroll. Alright. So yeah, 30 units here at gas station. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll burn out.